Hey, it's Henry from exceptionalmarketer.com. And today I want to answer a question that I've been seeing a lot lately. And that question is affiliate marketing dead? Has affiliate marketing become oversaturated? Are too many people involved in affiliate marketing? Has it run its course? And is it still possible to make a sustainable, reliable income from affiliate marketing, or should you just look for something else? So let's take a look and see what's going on here. First of all, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing. We hear a lot about it, but exactly what is affiliate marketing? What is involved in affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing involves the selling of someone else's product and earning a commission when your efforts generate a sale. So basically, you're going to be a salesman for somebody and you're going to market their product. You're going to promote it to your audience, wherever they may be. And if and when you make a sale, the owner, the creator of the product is going to pay you a commission for your efforts. That is affiliate marketing. So some of the world's best known brands have affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is something that's not unheard of. Look at some of these companies. Amazon has a huge affiliate marketing footprint. Costco, Walmart, Nike, and Apple all have affiliate programs where you can actually register as an affiliate. And if you sell any of their products, you're entitled to earn a commission from that company. So their affiliate marketing is a huge, huge business. Any brand you can think of has an affiliate program. I believe I recently saw a statistic that said 80% of brands, known brands, have an affiliate program. So really, regardless of whatever business you choose to do to market, you're going to be able to find not one, but probably numerous affiliate programs that you can promote. So there's no shortage of affiliate programs. So why even go into affiliate marketing in the first place? What's the lure of affiliate marketing? What brings so many people into it? Why do so many people have an interest in becoming affiliate marketers? Well, let's take a look at some of the reasons. Why affiliate marketing? And these reasons are pretty heavy. There's no product creation. You don't have to develop any product. You don't have to manufacture a product. You have no inventory that you have to carry on your books, have sitting on your shelf. That's money that you've invested. It's sitting on a shelf, hopefully getting a buyer. You don't need an office. You don't have to pay rent. You don't even need employees. You can run affiliate marketing, good size affiliate marketing companies, only by yourself. And if you want to, you can find a virtual assistant who doesn't even have to be anywhere near you. They can be on the other side of the world, and they can be your employee and do things for you. You have no customer service issues. You don't ship the product. You don't handle the product. You don't deal with customer complaints. You don't deal with customer issues if something's not working. You don't deal with refunds. You also have no geographic limitations. This is a biggie because if you're in any kind of a retail business, or even if you're in a professional business, you have a professional practice, by and large, your customer base is limited by geography. If you have a medical practice, you're not going to have people driving 500 miles for a doctor appointment. People are going to drive to a doctor that's in their general location. So you only have so far you can go to market. If you've got a retail store, same thing. Nobody's going to drive 500 miles to buy a pair of socks or a shovel from you when they can probably buy it within 5 minutes of where they live right now. So you have geographic limitations. But with affiliate marketing, you can have customers all over the world. And because everything is digital, you're not shipping anything. You have almost no shipping costs or none if you're selling digital product, and you can sell to anywhere in the world. So you've got a huge potential customer base. And then there's a very low entry to getting in. There's very low barrier to entry. You don't have to buy inventory. You don't have to hire employees. All those things that we mentioned that you do not need all cost money. With affiliate marketing, you basically can be in business for free. If you don't want to have a domain to start out, you can use a free domain like Wix or Weebly or WordPress.com. If you don't want to have an autoresponder, you can use MailChimp for free. I think you get 1,000 subscribers at no cost. You can blog for free. You can go make videos for free. You have everything you need you can do for free. So what you basically need is a computer and an internet connection, and you're in business. So nothing could be a whole lot easier than that. So what's the problem? It sounds to me like it's really a good business to be in. Well, do you know that 96% of new affiliate marketers fail? That's an unbelievable number. 96%. If you got 100 people starting out, then only 4 of them may ever make any money. The rest of them stay in it for a while, usually lose money, get discouraged, and give up. Now, why is that? What happens? Why do people fail with affiliate marketing? Well, there's a number of reasons. One, they don't treat it like a business. Affiliate marketing is exactly that. It's a business. You promote things to other people in the hope that they purchase, and you make money. You make a living. You get money for your efforts like any other business. But you have to treat it like a business. There are skills that are necessary in any business. You have to educate yourself on the necessary skills, and you have to develop a certain amount of discipline. If you've got to sit in front of your computer when you're first starting out and it takes you 10 hours a day, then you have to sit there for 10 hours a day. If you think you can get by with less, you're fooling yourself. People look for riches without work. If you ever go on the internet, and I'm sure you're there because you're there now, and you see some of these so-called gurus touting their programs, you just plug in and play, and tomorrow you're cashing some huge checks. Well, that is not happening. That does not exist. You do not get money and not do any work for it unless you inherit the money and you're super wealthy and you're clipping coupons. Otherwise, you have to do some work in order to get paid. So don't look for riches unless you're willing to put in the work. But if you are, then you do have the potential to make some money. New people don't focus. They have to come in and they're looking at all kinds of different things, which ties into the next thing, the shiny object syndrome. They're looking at all sorts of things. Am I going to do YouTube? Am I going to blog? Am I going to do Facebook? Am I going to do paid marketing? Am I going to do organic traffic marketing? What am I going to do? How many different ways? Well, that's going to get you nothing. That will get you failure and it'll get you frustration. What you must do is figure out where you want to go, make a plan, and then focus and stick to your plan, which means you have to ignore the shiny objects. You have to ignore the emails that you're getting or unsubscribe from all these lists and focus on whatever it is that you pick out as your method. Once you've mastered that method and you're already making money, then you can look into other methods to make money. Otherwise, you're going to fail. And information overload is a major problem. Everybody goes in, they get this course, they get this course, they get this course. By the time you're done, you spend several $1,000s on courses, and you still don't know what to do first because you're confused. And that's a secondary problem because some of the courses you may be investing in are really, to make it, just to speak the truth, they're useless. They're not going to help you get anywhere. There are certain courses which are very, very good courses, which pinpoint what you got to do. But then you got to take action, which is another problem. You can't just be a consumer of information. You must take action. And then another problem is what I call product-centric affiliates. These are affiliates who focus in on a product, number of products, buy my product, this is the greatest product, you're never going to see another product like this. And it's all about pushing people to buy, buy, buy. But they really offer no reason for people to want to do business with them. So what happens is people just don't buy from them. And if you've ever gotten emails every single day from somebody, and sometimes multiple times a day, saying, buy my product, buy my product, buy my product, what's going to happen? You're going to turn around and unsubscribe. So again, that's a major problem. So how do you succeed? What's the secret to succeeding as an affiliate marketer? Now, I have the solution, and this is a solution that's been proven to work over and over and over again. There are many, many, many affiliates who have followed this method and have succeeded in doing it. But it's not easy. You got to do some work. If you're not interested in doing work, this won't help you. But if you are interested in learning and doing some work, then you can succeed doing this. And that is, you have to build your brand first and always. What you're selling is yourself. And people may listen to you, watch your videos and all that sort of stuff, but they may like you, but until they trust you, they will not buy from you. So what you need to do is develop a brand. You have to sell you. Your company is you incorporated. It's not this product that I'm selling on ClickBank, or this product from Digistore, or this product from Max Bounty. Your company, your business is you. So who are you, and why should anyone care? Who are you? What do you stand for? You need to have a stand. You need to say, here are my values. Here's who I am. Maybe your stand is against the, quote, gurus. You want to say, I'm going to give you honest information. It's not all about money. It's about providing value. It's about providing. So now people have an idea who you are and what you stand for. And if you focus and you're consistent in building that brand, then you can build yourself up, and you will get trust, and you will gain authority. And those are the things you need to succeed. So how do you do that? Well, it's all about building your hub. Now, your hub is your home on the internet. That is your website. So people ask, do I really need to have a website in order to be successful in affiliate marketing? And the answer is emphatically yes. If you don't have a website, then you're wasting your time. But if you have a website, you want to make that your home on the internet. And just like with the home you currently live in, you invite your friends there, you have gatherings there. It's a place that's welcoming to visitors. So this is where you live and where you invite all your visitors. Why? Why do you want to invite all your visitors? Because all your content should be on your hub. Everything you produce, whether it's a blog post, certainly if you produce videos on YouTube, put them on your hub. All your content, everything that you are, should be on your hub. And again, you're building a brand awareness and you're building authority. So what goes on your hub? Among other things, blog posts, any videos you have, resources that you use, that you recommend for people to use in the business. If you review products, you want to have your product reviews on your hub. Training, if you do any kind of training, and on any platform, whether it's in social media, if you're using YouTube, anywhere, also put it on your hub, put it on your website. And memberships, you can have memberships on your website for people saying, and there you can even charge money. You can say, join this membership and this is what you get. You know, every week we're going to have a phone call, a training call. Every month you're going to get whatever it is, a newsletter, even a personal phone call, whatever it is. But you want to have everything concentrated on your hub. The hub is where you are. Now, if you think about it, think about every brand. Think about Amazon. Amazon, where do you go? You go to Amazon's website. They've got everything about Amazon is on that website. Apple, you want to look for an Apple product? Well, Apple sells computers. They sell iPhones, iPads, iTunes, TV. You want to find out about it? Where do you go? The Apple website. You don't go to 20 different websites. It's all Apple. And now you know Apple. So that's why you must build a hub to brand yourself. Your focus at all times should be to provide value first. And how do you provide value? What is value? You hear that all the time. Provide value, provide value. What is that? Well, to provide value, you must know your audience. You need to know what their challenges are. You need to know what's keeping them from succeeding. You need to know what keeps them awake at night. You need to know, this is the biggest one of all, what results do they want? Because what you're really selling, anything that you sell, you are not selling a product, you are selling results. So if you know what result they want, then you can cater your messages to that result. For example, this is a real old example. When somebody goes into our store to buy a drill, does he want a drill? Is he lay awake at night dreaming about a wonderful drill? No, he wants a hole in the wall. He wants to make a hole in a piece of wood or a hole in the wall. That's his result. How do you get that result? You sell him a drill. It's the same thing here. You have to learn what your audience wants. The simplest way to know what your audience wants is just to ask them. You can do surveys very, very easily, and you can find out what they want. And then your goal is provide the solutions. You know what they want, give them solutions to how to get there. You become, now if you do that, you become their problem solver, go-to guy. They need to know an answer to something, where do you think they're going? They're going to your website, they're going to your hub. You have a Facebook page, your Facebook page is tied into your hub. You can have people on your Facebook page asking you questions. You can respond, you can send them back to pages on your hub. But you become the go-to guy when you solve their problems. And the beauty of this is you don't even have to mention products at this point. You focus on results. And by doing that, you gain trust and authority. Well, okay, now you're going to ask me, that's all great, but how do I make money? Well, here's how you make money. Selling now becomes effortless because you're telling them, you need to get this and this result. Here's how you get this result. You do A, B, C, D, and you get that result. By the way, if you'd like to make it much more efficient and easy on yourself to get that result, here's a product that I recommend that you use. Now this becomes effortless selling. They trust you, they like you, they're coming to you for information, and you've given them a recommendation. If you go to a doctor because you don't feel well and the doctor says, I've got the solution, here's a prescription, take these pills for 10 days, and in 10 days you're going to be fine. Are you arguing with that doctor and saying, I'm not taking that prescription? Of course not. He's the expert. He's your go-to guy for health matters. So here you can now become their go-to guy, and this becomes selling without selling. You're making a recommendation to help them get the result they want. They're not going to argue with you. This is how you make sales. And there have been affiliates who've started from zero and who I know of personally that are making in excess of $2 million a year doing this. And now you're no longer the pushy product-centric affiliate bombarding your audience with a constant chorus of buy, buy, buy. Here's this product, here's this product, here's this miracle product. You don't have to do that. It's effortless selling, which is exactly where you want to get to. So, first of all, if you found this information helpful, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I make a new video, which I do on a regular basis. In addition, the first link in the description below this video will take you to a free webinar. And that webinar actually describes what I just talked about how to become an effortless seller and how to sell without selling. It is a free webinar. I recommend you click on that link. It'll be the best 90 minutes you've ever spent. In the meantime, best of luck to you and hope to see you on the next video.